Hi Spy Ninjas! PZ9 is actually after us right now, so today, me and Regina are gonna test out some traps and pranks on each other. As a test, we can use them against him.
5 minutes on the clock to set up your first prank, V. Are you ready?
Oh, okay,
Let's go!
One of PZ9's biggest fear is peeing in his pants. We've actually done that to him several times, so I think he's like super embarrassed and like really conscious about doing that again in public. So I'm gonna use this water gun here, and then, I don't know if you guys know this about Regina, but she has a fridge cam here at the safe house. Who does that? She's always checking the security cam just to make sure that her food's always in there. So I'm gonna actually put one of her favorite food in the fridge as a bait, chicken nuggets.
So for my prank, it's gonna involve one of these biggest fears, spiders! What I'm gonna do, guys, is I'm going to bait V with my secret room. She's been wanting to know what's in that room for months now. Today, I'm finally gonna let her see it.
I'm gonna tie this to the water gun right here by the trigger. Holding the trigger, I'm gonna attach the other end on the back of it. So I'm gonna put this in the fridge, and when she pulls it really hard, it's gonna be like, it's stuck, I want my chicken nuggets. And then she's gonna pull this so hard that water is gonna squirt right at her. Here's the chicken nuggets right here. This is the bait.
We got the spider, we got some floss. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tie a knot on this little spider boy. And when V shuts the door like this, okay guys, the prank is all set up. Now I just need to check security cameras on my laptop to see where V is at right now in the safe house. Checking, okay, she's not in the living room, kitchen. Oh, let's check in the fridge cam. I mean, she wouldn't be in the fridge, but I'm kind of hungry. Guys, there's something in the fridge. It looks really familiar to me. It's a white box with red on it. I know what that is, guys. They're chicken nuggets. I'm gonna get a little snack and then I'm gonna come right back to the security cameras. Why is it so hard to pull? What? V! V, where are you?
Regina, I got you! Look, you're all wet! This is totally gonna work on PZ9 because you know he's afraid of peeing his pants! Yeah!
Nice.
How do you feel?
Well, a little wet, but it's a good prank.
Yeah.
I got free chicken nuggets out of it.
Oh, yeah, check it out. Jeez! You eat junk food all the time. I was just trying to help you, get a healthy diet, eat a little greens and vegetables. It's good for you. 1 point for V.
Okay, but V, wait.
What?
So when I was, doing your prank, I kind of ran into some trouble.
Oh.
With my secret room, so.
Oh, your secret room.
Yeah.
You need help with it.
I do.
Oh.
I mean, I don't want to show you, but.
Wait. Oh, I mean, I need to see it if I'm gonna help you with it.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, all right, let's go.
I'll show you.
We're gonna finally see your secret room, you guys. Oh, is it just like us girls? Is that the boys aren't here?
Oh, yeah. Us girls.
Yeah.
All right, V, are you ready for this?
And it's unlocked and everything?
Yeah.
Guys, give this video a big thumbs up right now if you're so excited to go see in the secret room.
Yeah. You should be. It's very exciting, V.
What? What? Why is it all gray? It's just gray in here. I'm actually gonna go and see what behind this.
No.
This is ridiculous. God, let me in. I'm practically in.
No, V, calm down. You'll see the room maybe one day, maybe never. I don't know.
It's not okay. Oh, just stay in there then. Gosh. Wait, what is that?
She's freaking out over there.
Regina! Oh my gosh!
Oh, wait. It's just a little fake spider. He's
Fake?
my friend, yeah.
Oh my gosh. This was your prank? The whole entire room was the whole entire prank?
Yeah!
Oh, you know I hate spiders, Regina!
Yeah!
But you know what? These are like really silly pranks. Do you think
Yeah.
PZ9's actually gonna fall for these pranks?
Everyone's afraid of spiders, right? But he's a scary man.
Yeah, he's very scary, so I don't know. Let's get serious here.
Okay,
Let's
okay.
step our pranks and traps to the next level.
So 5 more minutes on the clock?
Yes.
Okay, break. Let's go! So I gotta think of a better prank that will actually fool PZ9. What if I prank V by going in disguise as a hacker? I'm gonna pretend like the hacker found the safe house. And she's gonna freak out. She's gonna be like, oh my gosh, the hacker found the safe house. What do I do? Luckily, I still have some extra old hacker clothes that I don't use anymore. Hoodie on. I haven't put one of these on in so long.
Okay, I'm gonna get ready for the next prank. I'm actually gonna go look at the security camera real quick. All right here. Entering our security cameras. No one's at the front door. That's good.
Okay, guys, I need to sneak into the backyard. But look, V is sitting right there. We can't let her know that I'm dressed up as a hacker right now, so we have to sneak. Make sure she doesn't see me. So let's go quietly. 3, 2, 1. I did it. Go in here. I'm gonna make my way to the backyard. V did not see me at all. In fact, I saw her computer screen. She's actually looking at the security cameras right now. So I'm just gonna set you guys down right here and I'm gonna pretend to be a hacker in the backyard. I'm a hacker, I'm scary.
Wait, someone's in the backyard. You guys, there's a hacker in the backyard right now. Oh, it's probably Regina pranking me, pretending to be a hacker. She's sneaky, but she can't fool me.
Okay guys, V had to have seen the hacker in the backyard because she's looking at the security cam footage. But now there's a problem. She's gonna assume it's me because when she goes looking for me, I won't be in the house. So I have a solution for that. The VID, that's right, I'm gonna use V's own spy gadget on herself. As you can see, I'm all changed back into my spy ninja gear because I don't want V knowing that I was dressing up as a hacker. Obviously, that's gonna give it away. So I'm gonna set it up on top of my security camera right now. Okay guys, it's way up there. So what it's gonna do, it's gonna record me doing the laundry and it's gonna loop over and over again on top of the security camera so that when V checks, it's just gonna show an image of me doing laundry. Okay, just doing my laundry. Okay, I think that's gonna work. So now the problem now is V is probably gonna come over to the laundry room and obviously ask for help to defeat this hacker that like found our safe house. So I think I'm gonna record some voice lines and play it on loop in here. What? There's a hacker in here? I'll set up traps through the security system. I'm working on it. Now, time to hack her up again and go into the backyard.
Now that I know that she's in the backyard, I'm gonna check out the other rooms to see where is the best location for my next prank is right now. Wait a minute, that's Regina! She's in the laundry room right now. What? Wait, is this a trick? Let me check. Backyard. Oh no. I gotta let Regina know that there's a real hacker in the house so we can prepare for this. Stay low. Oh gosh, stay low. Here's the laundry room. Regina, are you in here? There's a hacker at the safe house. They're in the backyard right now. We can't let him get inside the house. You gotta help me.
What? There's a hacker
Regina? Wait, why is this locked? Regina, come out.
I'll set up traps through the security system.
Regina says that she's gonna stay in there and setting traps through the security system. Okay, I guess that means I'm gonna be a field agent and actually take care of the hacker myself. Are you sure you're gonna be in there, Regina?
I'm working on it.
Let's go prepare for the hacker. Okay, guys, we're right back outside. Look to see if you guys see the hacker out in the backyard. I'm hiding behind. The hacker's right out there. I hope it's not PZ9. Can you guys look and see if it's actually PZ9? It actually doesn't look like PZ9 because PZ9 wear that like skirt looking thing. It looks like he's wearing a skirt with leggings. It might just be a regular hacker.
I don't want V to see me while I'm exposed like this, and I need to think of a plan first, so I'm gonna hide behind this gazebo right here. So now I gotta think of a plan of what I'm gonna do to V when I see her.
Where did he go? I thought he was back here somewhere. The doors back in the backyard, they're all glass. So what if he breaks in or something? What if he used like a sledgehammer or one of his gadgets? Gosh, I wonder what Regina's doing in there. I hope she's gonna come out here soon because I'm gonna need her help. Oh wait, the kitchen. The kitchen solves a lot of my problems. I know, I'm gonna use saran wrap. So this is glass right here. And then you pan over here and it's a saran wrap. You can barely tell the difference. You know what, guys? I'm actually gonna try and just lure this hacker inside because I have my trusty baton with me. It's extendable. So I can definitely take care of myself. Okay, guys, I'm ready for this hacker. Now that I got my trap set up, but like, where is he? I don't see him anywhere. Where the heck is he? Wait a minute. I think I see him. Wait, is that him right there? Hacker! Hey, Hacker! See you right there. I'm ready for you. Come and get me. I'm ready for this battle royale. Oh my gosh, she's coming. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, she's coming. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're ready. Step away! I have a baton. I'm ready to battle royale you. Step away. Oh gosh, no. He's going. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh, you guys. There's another entrance to this house. I gotta get there before them.
Oh my gosh, guys, it actually worked. V thinks I'm a hacker. She actually set up a trap for me to run into. Let's try to get her through the other entrance. Back in the safe house, I have no idea where V is. Oh, the door. She's coming in. Hide.
If that hacker comes close to me, I'm gonna use this baton right here. It's very powerful, it's made out of metal, but I will be able to protect myself from this. So I'm not gonna be afraid to use this baton to whack the hacker. Okay guys, we're gonna approach the entrance now. Prepare for this.
Guys, V didn't notice me. I think I have a plan. That I'm gonna scare her with these little pop thingies. They make a big kaboom noise and she's gonna get so scared. And then I'm gonna take off my hoodie and my mask and I'll be like, it was a prank, you got pranked so hard.
I don't see him. Oh no. You guys, do you see this? This door is already open. Does that mean the hacker is already inside the house? I gotta be prepared for a battle royale, you guys. Oh my gosh, the hacker's right there. He's pacing back and forth. I wanna go over here. He's in the fridge. I think we can go and confront that hacker right now. 3, 2, 1. Wait a minute. Did that hacker just trip? He's leaving.
Okay, so I didn't see V in the house. Maybe she's out here in the backyard somewhere. And keep an eye out, guys. If you see her, let me know.
He completely tripped. And we all know who trips around here. This person is extremely clumsy, kind of dramatic sometimes, and likes chicken nuggets. It's Regina. She must be pranking me right now. She thinks she can fool me with pretending to be a hacker. So it's on now, Regina. It's on. Where is she? Where's Regina? I'm behind this pole here. She won't be able to find me. She's looking for me. She thought I was hiding right there. She doesn't know that I know that she's pretending to be a hacker. I'm gonna prank her back. Here's the plan. I'm gonna leave a note for Regina. It's gonna say, to Chad and Daniel, I looked into Regina's secret room without her knowing. So obviously, this is just a prank. I didn't do that. If you want to know what's inside the room, wait for me by the pool on the skateboard. Regina's gonna be so mad when she reads this letter. Once she's by the pool, I'm gonna actually push her in the pool. So the joke is gonna be on her, not me. Here is the skateboard. Okay, right here, you guys. I'm gonna push her in there. It's gonna be fabulous. Now, I just gotta leave this note for her to find. What is she, relaxing in the gazebo over there? I'm just gonna leave that around there. She's right there. She's still around here. What is she looking for? She found it.
What? She did not do that. V! By the skateboard? Beat her by the skateboard? What the heck?
She's going.
What the heck, guys? I can't believe V went into my secret room without me knowing. I mean, I thought she was my friend. I thought she was a spy ninja. I didn't think she would do this to me. Well, here's the skateboard. Let's see if there's anything on it. There's nothing on this skateboard. I guess I'm just gonna wait for her over here and see what she has to say for herself. No hacker mask because I still want to scare her.
Gotta be quiet. She's right there. Let's go.
Find help whenever a brand new in the first. Make sure to subscribe.